Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting tech partnerships on the planet, India and America joining forces to shape the future of technology. From AI breakthroughs to defense innovations and massive manufacturing shifts, this video will cover it all. So stick around because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with AI, arguably the hottest topic right now. OpenAI recently launched GPT-5, their most advanced AI model yet. What's incredible? India has emerged as OpenAI's second largest market. That's a huge deal because it means millions of Indians are now at the forefront of AI adoption and innovation. India is no longer just a market for technology, it's becoming a global innovation powerhouse. For example, pharmaceutical giant Eli Lilly recently opened a massive tech center in Hyderabad focused on AI and software engineering, with plans to hire over 500 people in the next few years. Meanwhile, Bengaluru is setting up a center of excellence for space technology, aiming to develop advanced satellite manufacturing, Earth observation, and even quantum communication technologies. These hubs aren't just boosting local jobs, they're putting India on the global R&D map. Here's a big development for anyone interested in global manufacturing trends. Apple is moving a significant portion of its iPhone production to India. This shift not only reduces dependence on China, but also strengthens India's role in the global supply chain. Global retailers like Best Buy are also expanding their tech hubs in India, planning to increase staff by more than 40%. This means more tech jobs and a stronger ecosystem for innovation. On the frontier of tech, India is making strides in cybersecurity and quantum computing. A new AI-powered deepfake detection tool called Vastav AI was launched recently. It helps distinguish between real and fake videos, a huge win against misinformation in the digital age. Plus, India's national quantum mission is making waves with their 25-qubit quantum computer called INDUS. Quantum computing promises to revolutionize everything from cryptography to material science, and India is staking its claim in this race. The India-US technology partnership is creating a direct impact on education and skill development as well. Both countries are collaborating to launch new training programs and online courses focused on cutting-edge fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and quantum computing. These programs are designed to prepare students and working professionals to meet future technological challenges with confidence and expertise. Within India's national education policy framework, there is a strong emphasis on promoting STEM education and increasing research funding, all part of this broader global collaboration. What this means is that the demand for technology experts in India will rise significantly, matched by the increasing supply of skilled graduates. This will strengthen India's innovation ecosystem and position the country as a global hub for tech talent in the years to come. The tech partnership between India and the US goes beyond AI and defense. It's also about addressing one of the biggest challenges of our time, climate change. Both nations are working together to develop clean energy solutions such as solar power, energy storage technologies, and electric vehicles. Joint ventures and investment in green infrastructure are accelerating sustainable technology adoption. American companies are investing heavily in India's renewable energy sector, while Indian startups are innovating and scaling clean tech solutions for global markets. This collaboration is setting the stage for a sustainable future by reducing carbon emissions and helping both countries meet their climate goals. Over the next decade, this partnership will become a global example of how technology can protect the environment. Now, what does all this mean for you, the viewer? First, there will be a surge in job opportunities, especially in tech sectors like AI, cybersecurity, quantum computing, and advanced manufacturing. Skilled professionals in these areas will be in high demand. Second, for entrepreneurs and startups, the growing India-US partnership opens new doors for funding, mentorship, and access to international markets, turning innovative ideas into real-world products faster than ever before. Finally, education and self-learning platforms will become more accessible, enabling you to upgrade your skills and prepare for the tech-driven future. So whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, this evolving technology landscape offers exciting chances to grow, learn, and lead. Embrace the change and get ready to be part of the future. So what does all this mean? India and America's tech partnership is rapidly transforming global innovation, manufacturing, and security landscapes. For viewers like you, it means huge opportunities to learn, grow, and participate in this tech-driven future. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on tech trends that matter, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Also, comment below which technology excites you the most and how are you preparing for the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.